Welcome to the Daily Volatility Box Report for July 17th, 2019. In today's video, we'll cover three of the trades that set up today in the S&P and the Russell. With a one lot, the P&L for today was $750, and with the two lot going for just a target line, the total P&L was $1250 for the day. As you can see, if you go through our previous videos, the volatility box is yet to have a losing day. And I think that speaks about the edge that this particular system gives you. If you'd like to download the volatility box indicator for this week, go ahead and visit tosindicators.com/volatilitybox. All right, let's actually go into the charts and look at each one of these trades. Okay, so from our grid view, let's first dive into the S&P. So let's maximize this cell. With our morning open in the S&P, we were nowhere close to breaching either side of the volatility range, as you can see right here. We had quite a bit of room on both sides, and so we knew that we could use the aggressive levels for today. So looking at that, our first trade came in right in the morning time Pacific, so right around 8 o'clock into that hour rather, where our entry was right here at 29.93.5. Our stop was 6 points outside of the volatility box, so right here. Our first target was 6 points, which was hit here. And our second target for a runner was the target line, which unfortunately wasn't hit. So this trade, the second contract stopped out at a break even. The first one was a winner for $300. Now moving on to the Russell. So the Russell had a similar story. Once again, you breached only the entry lines of the volatility box. So we knew that on a more aggressive side, you could use the aggressive level. And if your risk appetite was really conservative, then you could have switched on over to the conservative side. But we didn't even breach the actual volatility box itself. Our first entry was right along with the S&P as well, so right around 8 o'clock Pacific time. Our stop was outside of the volatility box, which if we show you, so to zoom that out, stop was right outside of the volatility box, 4.5 point wide stop. Our first target was once again what we risked, so 4.5, which was hit in this candle. Our second target was our target line, which was also hit, and that was good for 10 points. And so in total, the first target was good for $225, and the second target was good for another $500 in total for this entire move. Plus, you had a little bit of a runner. With that, the second trade in the Russell then came with this move up, where we had a nice opportunity to short into the end of that hour. So this is into the 9 o'clock Pacific hour. Our stop was once again 4.5 points wide, so right outside of the volatility box. First target was once again 4.5, which was hit right here. And our second target was the volatility line, which we hit right into the close. The first contract on this guy, the profit was $225. And our second contract going for the target line, we hit $450. Okay, so to recap for July 17th, 2019, we had a total of 3 trades, 1 in the S&P and 2 in the Russell. Out of these 3 trades, all 3 were winners. As you saw earlier, one of them was a winner for just your target 1, while the other 2 out of 3 on the Russell were good for the runners as well. And your total P&L with the 2 contracts was $1,250 for the day, which is pretty damn awesome. As you can see, I hope at least these videos have proven that the volatility box helps you start trading with an edge at the edge. Start trading smarter, start trading better, and download the volatility box today at tosindicators.com/volatilitybox. Thanks, and see you tomorrow.